Cute. Pressing that button. Look at that. Sheep. Counting sheep. Look, it's called sleep-inducing automata. One sheep. Two sheep. Three sheep. Four sheep.
Before Goldilocks.
Okay.
Gonna be a bit slow, but it's gonna be very funny.
This is called poison milk.
Literally.
Alright, watch the cat.
Dying! The guitar and the dancer. So weird.
Yeah.
The Dead Sea. Really looks dead. The bird is skeleton.
Yeah. Cool, eh?
Okay, it's a bit weird. Was it supposed to be Anubis or something? But
No idea.
I call Can.
That a movie. Moving up, moving down. It's doing sit up. Crunches.
Okay. You just move one hand only.
Can I read? What's this? Lion tamer. Yeah, okay, lion tamer. Button again. Kinetic energy. And results in this.
Cool. So cute. All spooners. House is very interesting.
This is the camel simulator.
Yeah, which is so weird. Cute.